According to the list of aircraft carriers and carrier-based aircraft worldwide, there are currently 9 countries that have at least one aircraft carrier in active service or under construction. These countries are as follows. The United States, with 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers of the Nimitz and Gerald R. Ford classes, capable of launching and recovering conventional aircraft using catabar systems. They also have 9 amphibious assault ships of the Wasp and America classes, which can embark vertical or short takeoff and landing, STOV, aircraft like the F-35B. China, which has 2 conventional-powered aircraft carriers, the Liaoning and the Shandong, both using a ski jump ramp for aircraft takeoff, STOBAR, and equipped with hangar facilities and workshops for aerial operations. China is also constructing a 3rd aircraft carrier, expected to be fitted with an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMLS, for aircraft launch. France, which possesses 1 nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, the Charles de Gaulle, the only non-American carrier to use the catabar system. It can accommodate up to 40 aircraft, including Rafale Ms, E-2C Hawkeyes, and helicopters. France plans to build a 2nd aircraft carrier, expected to be commissioned around 2038. The United Kingdom, which has 2 aircraft carriers of the Queen Elizabeth class, the HMS Queen Elizabeth and the HMS Prince of Wales, the largest warships ever built for the Royal Navy. They use a ski jump ramp for STOVL aircraft, primarily F-35Bs, and can carry up to 70 aircraft. India, which has 1 conventional-powered aircraft carrier, the INS Vikramaditya, a modernized version of the Soviet Kiev-class aircraft carrier. It uses a ski jump ramp for STOBAR aircraft, including MiG-29Ks and helicopters. India is also constructing a 2nd aircraft carrier, the INS Vikrant, expected to be operational in 2022. Russia, which has 1 conventional-powered aircraft carrier, the Admiral Kuznetsov, the last remaining carrier of the Kuznetsov class in active service. It employs a ski jump ramp for STOBAR aircraft, mainly Su-33s and MiG-29Ks, along with helicopters. The carrier is currently undergoing repairs following a fire incident in 2019. Italy, which has 2 conventional-powered aircraft carriers, the Cavour and the Giuseppe Garibaldi, using a ski jump ramp for STOVL aircraft, including AV-8B Harrier IIs and F-35Bs, as well as helicopters. The Cavour is currently undergoing upgrades to accommodate F-35Bs. Spain, which has 1 conventional-powered aircraft carrier, the Juan Carlos I, using a ski jump ramp for STOVL aircraft, primarily AV-8B Harrier IIs and F-35Bs, along with helicopters. The ship also has an amphibious capability for troop and vehicle transport. Brazil, which has 1 conventional-powered aircraft carrier, the Atlântico, a former Royal Navy Invincible-class helicopter carrier. It can embark helicopters and STOVL aircraft, although Brazil does not currently possess such aircraft. These aircraft carriers play a crucial role in military operations and power projection around the world. Stay tuned for more updates on future developments in aircraft carrier technology and global naval operations.